Hello everyone, this is Charles. Today I'm going to write a program that can calculate the average score of the test. Let's get started. First of all, because we have to read the user's type in the keyboard, so we have to use the scanner class. And now I first type the package of the scanner class. Import. And now we begin to create a class for this program. Let's call it average score, and okay. Now we have to declare the variables. First of all is three integers of the test score. So now I call it A, B, and C. Then we have to tell the users that this program is for calculating the score, and I will use a sentence here. To tell them this program can help you calculate the average score. And now we have to create a class. Is scan. Now we will use a sentence to instruct them to enter the first test score. So I would say please enter your first test score. And now our first variable A will be the integer that the users type in their keyboard. So it will be integer. Okay. And now I will tell them to enter the second test score. So I will say, please enter your score. And the second variable B will be the things that the users enter here. Sorry. And finally, the third test score. Please enter your third test score. And now on C will be the integer that the users input. Okay, so now we have three scores that the user type in their computer, And now we have to calculate the average score. Because the average score is not always an integer, so I may use the float to declare this variable, the average. And we have to cast the different data type here because A, B, C are integers. So we use float, and then we sum the free score here, and then divide it by 3. Okay, so now we have the average score of the free test. Then I will use the system out print the average is, then output this variable. Okay, so now let me check here. We have the package here and the class name. Yes, the class name, and the declare of free integer here, and this scanner. Okay, I think it will be fine. So now let's save it. Save as workplace. Save. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, so here it says that please enter your first test score, let's say 90. The second one may be 92. And the first maybe 95. Okay, so now let's see whether it will give us a correct answer. Okay, here is the final average score of the free tests. The program is over. Thank you.